Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. We have got the May paper pumpkin kit called Batter Up. We're going to do the unboxing so that you can all see what's inside it, and then we'll follow on with some videos around making the contents. So here we go with Batter Up. So the first thing we see is the instructions for the kit. It makes 9 cards. And the instructions are in color now, and they're very, very specific about how you make them. So they are new and improved instructions for each of the cards. And then on the back are some options for additional cards that you can make. And the contents of the kits are listed as well. Next, we have a flyer for next month's paper pumpkin. It's expressions in color, and it goes with the artistically inked set and with the expressions in ink designer series paper. So you have until June 10th to subscribe if you'd like the expressions in color kit and you are not currently a paper pumpkin subscriber. So this is the stamp set that goes with the set. Let me just grab a piece of cardstock here so you can see it. It says, "You're the greatest of all time, you're the best, all-star." It's got the baseball hat and bat, and then the word ever, the word friend, dad, grandpa, son, uncle, brother, mom. So really, really useful stamp set. And then we've got some white linen thread. We've got some red and some yellow enamel dots. And we've got our dimensionals. And we've got some double bubble gum, because what would baseball be without bubble gum? We've got our adhesive dots and Night of Navy Stampin' Spot. We've got our greeting die cuts to pop out. And then we've got our cards. So we've got this one, and we've got this nice woodwork one, and then we've got the stripey one, like that. So there we go. Those are our card fronts, or our card bases, I guess. So those are the card bases. And then we've got our punch out sheets with all the die cuts that we need to make the cards. And again, we can make 3 of each card for a total of 9. And here are the envelopes with this lovely envelope flap in the stripy colors. So that is the May paper pumpkin kit called Batter Up. So I cannot wait to start making videos with this and chew on some bubble gum. Life is good. We will see you later for some videos. Take care.